Kids make me cry!
I'ma need the ball to whip, man.
Hey, bro. Crack dealers are destroying my community.
I'm getting drunk. I'm getting
Whatever,
high.
brother, I have no business.
Tastes good. Let's feel it.
You in a gang, no?
Yeah, homie, for sure.
That's just what I needed.
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
I like your estilo, Holmes.
Trust me, lady. I really don't care.
You are Yeva anyway.
It must be Kismet.
You could help me get over me, kind.
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between two lunatics.
Come on.
And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
I only
Oh,
date
you ain't
strippers.
niggas. Who do you think you are? I'm in for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
How you doing?
Hey there, Chulad.
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas.
Hey, I'll catch you
Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
I have a crush on my lady urologist.
You're so trendy.
Whatever you say, dude. Now get lost.
Amamos tu Ventura, carnal.
Don't make me ram into you.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Have you tried a plug? Forget about it. See ya, bitch. Peace out, bitch. Hello there. It's the worst. You know what I mean by the crack experience. I can't stand it.
Keep seeking true system.
Catalina, is that you again?